But height isn't always a laughing matter. And apart from coming from a tall family, there are other and potentially more frightening reasons why some people grow much taller than average. There's a woman from Shelbyville, Indiana, who tells
Are you
filming the tall show?
Yeah. It's something that's so rare to me.
God, she's huge.
Her name is Sandy Allen, and for years, she's held the title of the world's tallest woman.
I am 7 feet 7 1/4 inches tall.
What's she called?
That's what everybody tells me. Maybe I'm not so tall, it's just that everybody else is
She's
so
not
short.
like a man.
She does sound like a man.
That's because little old
Sandy
ladies
Allen
sound
says
like
the
little old
tumor
men
helps
when they
her
get
to live
menopause.
at her extraordinary height. But it hasn't
Especially
always
tall.
been
How tall is
easy.
she?
I had a hard time with the boys. The girls totally ignored me. They would not associate with me at all because I was a freak. I was the outcast.
I would be friends
The
with
boys,
her.
of course, took great joy in calling me names and teasing me. But I don't get angered very easily. And they're lucky I don't. And I truly feel sorry for people that feel like they have to make fun of me. There's nothing here to make fun of. Sure, I'm tall, but that just means there's a little bit more of me to love, that's all.
Keep telling yourself that.
Amber tells herself that about every time. Shut up!
Is a frightening one. Because to get to be this tall, the chances are
Oh, look,
you're
no, it's not
seriously
short,
ill.
bad height at all.